Okay, a really quick cell phone video on a beautiful September afternoon. The clouds are just stunning. But I installed my Weboost signal booster for my RV, and it's on my travel trailer. And I used the supplied clamp for the step, and then I mounted it. I use these little super cool little mounts that they supply. I'll get down here where you can get a better look at that, because this is one of the really cool things that they supply. It just sticks on. Just be sure to clean that really well. I used a little denatured alcohol and cleaned it up, and then stuck that on, and then just ran the zip tie through, cinched it in, and coming on down, made the loop, and then I used the supplied hole saw that they include in the kit, and right here, and went ahead and used some clear silicone, marine silicone on that. Anyway, real quickly, we'll run inside and I'll show you where I went through the wall there, through the back of the camper, right through here into a little cubby storage bin that on our camper has. Anyway, there's another look at that. Like I said, I'll take that down as we're traveling. But anyway, real quick, we're going to run inside. And oh, another thing I installed real quick, this clear window thingy, which we really enjoyed that. Anyway, regardless, we're going to run inside here, and that window, it just eliminated the frosted window, and it's a clear window now, so it's pretty cool. Anyway, so we came through, or I came through the wall. Just said we'll take a quick look out here where the ladder is. And that ladder right there, I came through the wall there, measured it out, came about 3 or 4 inches down and in. Came through this little cubby where we keep DVDs, which we never watch, but we used to watch them. And there's the signal booster, and it's the Weboost DriveX, and it's the kit comes with everything to install it into a RV, which is really neat. We had a Weboost cradle cell phone booster, which we used, and it worked really well, but we've gotten rid of our DirecTV and have gone completely streaming, so we needed something to give us a little bit more boost. Anyway, so this runs over, and just disregard how messy everything is, but I don't know if we'll keep it here or if we will keep it under here. But anyway, I highly recommend this product because we had such good luck with the cradle, the automotive, just the cell phone booster. We've been in spots where there were just a very weak one signal in and out, and you can use that cradle type Weboost signal booster. Can't remember the name of it, but anyway, they make them still, and they're really handy. And you can go from no bars, in and out of no bars, to two bars easily. And I hooked this one up. Now I'm in the city limits, and we're just real close to a cell tower, an AT&T cell tower. So it, really can't really tell if it's really helping or not. But I had 2 and 3 bars in the RV, or the travel trailer, and then when I turned it on, after about 5 minutes, it boosted it up to 4 bars. I did a signal test, and it came back with a nice little message that your cell signal or your Wi-Fi signal is able to stream multiple streams on multiple devices. And that's just a Google one that is, if you go on Google and do a signal test, it'll pop up. But anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Like I said, it's just an unedited, quick video of my install of the cell signal booster for RVs, the DriveX RV, and the registering it was a snap. It just took a few minutes. You actually take a picture. They give you a little a tag in there, and you take a picture of it, and then they send you a link, and they know all your history and everything when you register it. And you also have to register it with your cell carrier, like we're AT&T, or if if you had Verizon or whichever one, you'd have to register it with them as well, which straightforward, no problem. Anyway, that was how I did my install for my signal booster, my Weboost cell signal booster for RV, DriveX RV, and I hope you enjoyed the video. You don't have to give me a thumbs up or anything. Just enjoy the video and have a wonderful day.